In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a credit card limit increase for Bank of America using the easiest method possible. So grab your phone and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need the Bank of America mobile banking app. Open the app on your smartphone and log in using your online ID and passcode. This ensures that you're securely logged into your account. Now, once you're in, you'll see a list of your accounts on the home screen. Look for the credit card account you wish to have increased and tap on it to open up its details. Next, you'll want to scroll to the bottom of the account details page. Here, you'll find an option labeled Information and Services. Tap on that to go further into your account services. It's like unlocking the gateway to more functionality within your credit card management. Now, in the services section, there should be an option called credit line increase, or it might say request a credit line increase. Give that a tap. This is where the real magic happens, as you'll be able to formally request an increase to your credit line. At this point, the app will prompt you to provide some financial information. This typically includes your current income, employment status, and monthly housing payment. It's crucial to be accurate and truthful with this information. Providing an accurate picture of your financial situation helps the bank assess your request more effectively. Once you've filled out the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Double check that all the information entered is correct. This step is vital because any mistakes or discrepancies could delay the process or affect their decision. After ensuring everything is spot on, go ahead and submit your request. Now, one of two things can happen next. In many cases, you'll receive an instant decision from the bank right on your app. However, there are times when they might need to review your case a bit more thoroughly. If that's the case, don't worry. You'll get a follow-up message from Bank of America once they've reached a decision. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a request to have your credit limit increased with Bank of America. Remember, maintaining a good payment history and a low credit utilization ratio generally plays in your favor for approval. If by any chance your request isn't approved, give it some time and maybe take another look at ways to improve your financial profile. So there you have it. A simple and straightforward way to request a credit line increase using your Bank of America app. Thanks for joining today, and I hope this was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe for more content that will help you manage your financial journey effortlessly.